wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 9 best video glasses. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 9. A bit more stylish than other digital eyewear, the Go Glue E7 Polarized feature a 110-degree field of view, as well as an adjustable camera with 22 degrees of tilt, so you won't accidentally take an entire video of the sky. You get just over 1 hour of battery life, along with a 5 photos per second burst mode, but the bridge is a tad narrow. At number 8, the Wise Up Wearable Mini come with a 16GB microSD card and accept replacements of up to 32GB. They support up to 1080p recording at 30 frames per second, and their half-frame design keeps them cool and comfortable for long periods of time. These are lightweight and well-balanced and can shoot for up to an hour per charge. However, they provide no UV or glare protection. Coming in at number 7 on our list, beachgoers will appreciate the Oho Sunshine Video, whose IP66 dustproof and waterproof rating make them ideal for fun in the sun without worrying about water damage. They're available in black or silver, both of which are polarized. These won't pinch your nose or temples and come with impact-resistant plastic lenses, but the date and time are a pain to set. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for video glasses, or simply click beneath this video. At number 6, the Go Glue POV stand apart from the rest thanks to an ultra-wide 150-degree capture angle. Apart from the rather prominent circular lens, they're more attractive and less bulky than many similar options, while still providing UV 400 protection. They're equipped with 2mm polarized lenses and a high-resolution sensor. They're lightweight and durable. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Camry Full HD sunglasses come in 3 sporty configurations. You can get the standard angle with black or colored lenses, or you can get a pair that feature a wide-angle lens to take in more of your surroundings. These work with Mac OS and Windows, and a charge lasts for about 90 minutes, but be aware they tend to shoot a little high. At number 4, when you set the Hereta Spy support on your desk, you can connect them to your computer via USB to quickly transfer any captured footage. While they're hooked up, you can also use them as a convenient webcam for activities like live streaming. They feature a 1/4-inch CMOS sensor and create AVI files. However, the images are a bit grainy. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Despite topping out at just a 720p resolution, the Lawmate Covert EG20CL do a great job of blending in with whatever you're wearing, and their camera lens is nearly invisible. Whatever you record on them is automatically marked with a time and date stamp. These offer a 67-degree field of view and shoot at 30 frames per second. They can record for about 60 minutes. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for video glasses, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, by employing capacitive touch controls instead of clunky buttons, the ViView G50S look like any other pair of spectacles so as not to attract any undue attention. They come with a spare rechargeable battery to double your shooting time. These feature a 5-megapixel sensor and a reliable autofocus. It's easy to swap out memory cards too. And coming in at number 1 on our list, designed for the most social media savvy, the Snapchat Spectacles 2 are a fun and flashy way to share pictures and vines with friends. They sync wirelessly with the app on your mobile device, and a water-resistant design makes them suitable for a wide range of activities. There are 5 style and color options, and they export in a circular or square format. They can record for 30 seconds per button press. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for video glasses, or simply click beneath this video.